All right, so I'm gonna get started making these muffins. These ones. The 1 bowl carrot apple muffins from the Minimalist Baker website. So apparently I misread the recipe, so the first few steps are gonna be a little out of order, but that's okay. So I'm gonna mash this banana. And I'm gonna try and do it with the spatula, so let's see how that goes. Alright, gonna go ahead and say that's mashed. Next step, I'm gonna add the flax egg. So this is 1.5 tablespoons of flax seed and 4 tablespoons of water. And it goes. Next we add the maple syrup. I have got 1/4 cup here. And the olive oil, also 1/4 cup. Ew. And mixing. Next we add the applesauce, or as the recipe says, you can add an apple. I forgot to grab applesauce from the store 3 times, so apple it is. As well as the brown sugar. I think it's a 1/4. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Baking soda. This is the one that I don't keep in my fridge. I have it like taped shut. Don't judge me. And I lost it. Okay. 1.5 teaspoons. Salt. And cinnamon. And mixing. Now you add the almond milk. This is 1/2 cup. It's gonna bother me. And the carrot. So these are just some carrots I grated up in the food processor. Now we've got 2/3 of a cup of rolled oats, just the regular ones. In they go. And we have 1/2 cup almond meal, just ground up almonds. I bought it like this, but you can make your own if you're ambitious and you feel like it. And then the recipe calls for gluten-free flour. I'm not gluten-free and I don't own gluten-free flour, so this is just whole wheat. Let's hope it comes out okay. And that's 1 heaping cup. It looks like that. Alright, so this is the mixture. It looks very like, I don't know. I don't know what to think about it, but it smells really good. So, this is the only muffin tin that I have at my house. So this is the one I'm gonna use. This recipe calls for 12. We're making 6 big ones. And now you can watch me boringly put it into this thing. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be really good. Oh yeah. The recipe also calls the top with some walnuts, so I'm gonna do that because I think walnuts are good, you know, in your omegas or something. Kinda wish I would have chopped them a little bit better, but you know, you live and you learn. Ta-da! So, these are gonna go into a preheated oven at 375 degrees. Because these are bigger and the recipe called for using gluten-free flour, I think I'm going to kick it down to 350. So, see you in like a lot of minutes, like 40 minutes. I'll be back. Alright, these are the finished ones. I'm not really feeling this, I'm just gonna take that off anytime. A little weird walnut. And they passed the toothpick test after about 35 minutes. Once I take one out, I'll give it a little cross section, show you what the inside looks like, and let you know how it tastes. Alright? Alright.